I have a cheap, it's probably like a Harbor Freight. Actually, I'm not sure. I got it from a friend. Heat gun and a screwdriver. Turn it on. Pretty warm. One. Two. Oh, hopefully that was all on video. Yeah. That was the first time I ever did that, so. Well, maybe the second, but not very often. And a better, flatter screwdriver would probably work better, but, you know, that's all you need, I guess. Now to get this off, I think I could just use a solvent, like Prepol, or Prepsol. Prepsol or Prepol, whatever if I could actually name it right, that'd probably be great. Let's see if this might just rub right off. Guess it won't. So you know what I'm gonna do? Oh, is that hot? I think this is still hot. Yeah, it's still pretty hot. I'm painting this, so whatever very minimal scratches I might be putting into this right now, because this is really not the best way of doing it. I'm sure I'll be able to cut, get it off. You won't see it. See, Prepol, you gotta wear gloves for. Oh! Did you see that? There was a stinky bug or whatever the hell they're called, stink bug. Again, I'm real light on this. It's really probably not gonna leave anything deep. Not the type of rag I should be using, but it should be fine. Awesome. Not too bad. Can't really see it. Yeah, it's actually, I mean, this isn't the best quality video, but decently gone. I wonder how much of this this is Prep-Sol. This is for prepping panels, like as in cleaning. It's like a good degreaser and, you know, it removes chemicals. That's usually what you would spray before you do a paint job. That's how you would clean the panel. Still feel stuff. I wonder if it's like damage from the glue, like it, you know, eats away the clear coat or the, you know, the paint. Definitely see that might come off still. Bet you in the sun this probably looks pretty shitty. I could definitely see a bunch of marks. That are probably from what I just did. But whatever.